speak as an audience advocate. And remember, if we work on the premise that everyone is more interested in themselves than they are in us, we won't go wrong. And one way we can do that is to watch the I versus you and your ratio. Certainly, we're not going to talk and not say I. I recommend we all have a list of you-focused phrases that you can include. This is in the conversations to get the job as well as your presentation. Perhaps you agree in your experience. Have you ever? You-focused phrases. You can feel confident. And then when you're going to tell your own story, invite them in. I wish you could have been there. Imagine how I felt when. So you-focused phrases will prove that you are keeping your audience in mind.